guys, and welcome back to Longhorn Fabrication. I'm Jerry, and I'm glad that you're here with us today. We're new on YouTube, so we can use every like we can get. And if you like this video and would like to see more like it, make sure that you subscribe. We thank you so much. Today we're going to be doing a review of the Milwaukee Torque Lock vice grips, or locking pliers. I know it's habit to call them vice grips. Vice grips is a brand. The technical term is locking pliers. And so what we have here is we've got a pretty good variety, 10 different pieces, all the way up to these 12-inch, 11-inch C-clamp locking pliers, and all the way down to these 7-inch. We've even got some 6-inch needle nose clamping pliers in this kit. So, pretty good kit. I picked this up at the Home Depot. It was on sale. I want to say I got it for right at $100. And so this was a pretty good deal. Okay, not a bad set of pliers. The big difference is the fact that makes them the torque lock. And that's what we're going to be looking at today. So let's dive in and see what we think about these pliers. You can look here on the back of the box. It says that it's a machine precision, forged strength, rust protection on. We've got the curved jaw construction, straight jaw construction, long nose, standard C clamping, and they kind of all make up what they call the max bite grip. Well, first I have to say that I'm very impressed with this plastic storage unit. This is going to fit right into this toolbox, no problem. And I love that it's pretty thick. Just like a lot of tools will come with these blow molded plastic containers. Love the Milwaukee logo that's imprinted in that. It's pretty nice. Just first impressions, it's a good looking kit. I know that it's coated with some anti-rust material and it's very shiny. Gives it some good texture to the grips. Picking these up is what you would expect from any commercial grade products. They're very heavy, oh yeah, the locking mechanism really locks, really does a good job there. But one of the things that, and I guess the key feature of these pliers is this torque lock system. And what that's going to be able to give you to do is the opportunity to stick a screwdriver in there and really get some extra cranking power on whatever you're locking down on. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to give you the model numbers of each of these different pliers, but I want to start off with giving you the model number of the kit itself. And I'm going to hold it up here. This is the front of the box, and hopefully you can see that on the camera. The number is 48223690, and I'll link it in the bottom of the video. But again, 10 pieces, lifetime warranty. You know, it's what you'd expect from Milwaukee. So let's take a look at each individual set of pliers. I'm going to keep this box kind of up here for reference for myself. We'll start with the 10-inch, we'll start with the 10-inch straight jaw. And as you can see, just as the name implies, straight jaw. Okay, so that's going to help you if you're clamping two pieces of flat metal together, anything square, rectangle, those square jaws are going to help you out quite a bit. So you've got the release mechanism right here, just like you would have on any vice grip or locking pliers. Very easy to handle. You pull and they're released, so very nice. So the model number for this, if you just wanted to buy this separately, is 48223510. And again, very, very impressed with these. The torque lock, I'm going to have to get a screwdriver just to loosen this up a little bit. Let's see here. Now, there we go. The torque lock is, I love the red. Of course, it's Milwaukee. It's got to be red, man. But the red only goes just where, just the tip. So you can kind of see just the tip is red. The rest is black. And I think what they've done there is they don't want the powder coat or the paint, whatever they've used here, to interfere with threads. These threads are well lubricated, which is very nice, because the last thing you want to do is try to crank on something and they've got rusty threads. So Clearly, one of the things we would do in the shop is we're going to keep these well lubricated with some spray lubricant. But it's nice to see that from the factory, straight out of the box, you can actually see the kind of oil that's on top of it. And there's not an excess of oil, because there's plenty of times you get a tool and it's like, man, it's soaked in oil. That's not the case here. So those are the 10-inch straight jaws. Okay, now let's keep on moving and let's look at, I think this is the 10-inch curved jaw. So again, if you're going to be clamping on something that's round or even sometimes square, you can get some square down in there in those curved jaws. It's going to really get you some good bite on that. This is my first video. I'm sorry, guys. I'm trying to make sure everything's lining up. But one of the things that Milwaukee is kind of trying to market is this max bite system. And these teeth, I have to say, I thought it might just be a gimmick, and I've not used these, but I have to say these teeth are pretty gnarly. They're pretty, in a good way. They're pretty sharp. You can see that they are, they're kind of angled towards the workpiece, I guess, if you will. And I'm sure that helps in the clamping power of those pliers. So I'm going to give you the part number, 48223610, and that's the 10-inch curved. Just going through, we've got, I think this is 9-inch needle nose. Again, all of the mechanisms work really great. That's going to give you some good clamping power. You know, if you're trying to grab something that's inside of a hard to reach area, you're going to be able to grab hold of that right there. So the number on the 10-inch is or the 9-inch needle nose, 48223509. If you wanted to buy those individually. So we're going to get smaller here. We've got, looks like we've got the max bite, and we've got the normal 7-inch curved. And I might have to zoom in here in a second and to make sure that we're getting this. But if you'll notice, here's the max bite. It says on there max bite, and then you've got the standard teeth. Now, the standard teeth are a bit bigger. Okay, I don't know if that plays into it, but the standard teeth are a bit bigger. The max bite, the teeth are smaller. This is the max bite. The teeth are smaller, but it looks like they may be more strategically placed. I'm sure, listen, I'm sure the engineers at Milwaukee know what they're doing. But there is a difference between the two, and maybe that's something that we need to test out and see which one works the best. So they both have, of course, the torque locking system, just like the rest would. This one is the regular jaw, and this one is the max bite jaw. And so to give you the part number on the regular, 48223421, maybe cheaper, I don't know. I will put some comments in the bottom. And then you've got the max bite, and the number on that is 48223607. So those are both the 7-inch curved jaw. You've got the shorter 7-inch flat. Okay, I'm not going to go into that. I will give you the part number 48223507. So if you just need a pair of those. And then we've got these little guys. Man, I really like these guys. Look at these little needle nose. Aren't they adorable? They're just so cute. Just absolutely so cute. And that was a little tough, but it's getting loosened up. Again, these are right out of the package. You saw me open the box. The number on these, 48223506. So I'll be sure to put those numbers in there. Okay, now check out these little guys. Man, I tell you, what are the size of them? 5-inch curved. This would be great. I used to carry a little, almost like a fanny pack on my belt, and I had a screwdriver and I had some different pliers and stuff, stuff like that. You know, that way I had some stuff on my body at all times. I've traded that in for a multi-tool, and we'll actually do a video on my Leatherman multi-tool. But that right there is a great size. If you wanted to carry one of these with you, man, it's adorable. It's just cute. If a tool could be cute, this guy's cute. So let's look at the number 48223422 is the number for those little guys. Now, we do a lot of welding in here, of course, and I don't know how beneficial one clamp is. So we're definitely going to have to purchase, you know, some more of these. We've got plenty of them, but we'll probably purchase some more of these individually. The number on these C locking clamps is 48223531. These are working, you know, hey, it's a locking plier. Notice they don't have the pads on them, and so if you like the pads, this may not be the set for you. Make sure I'm seeing everything right. Okay, so the big ones are 11-inch and these little ones are 6-inch. So just kind of give you a little comparison between the two. Again, you know, daddy clamp and baby clamp, so that's pretty cool. The number on this little guy right here is 48223532. So all in all, you know, I've not used them yet, and so I don't want to say go out and buy these. If I had to guess, and this is just a guess, so Milwaukee, I'm sorry if this is not the case, I would say that Milwaukee pays someone else to make these for them. They are made in, I believe, I'm not dissing that, I'm not saying that that's necessarily a problem. I don't see any country markings on there, but I would say that Milwaukee pays someone else to make these. So would I spend a whole lot more money on these compared to a traditional set of Irwin vice grips? I probably would not, okay? But if you can find a good deal on these, man, jump on them. I really like the red. The red looks cool. And I'm not gonna lie, maybe if you don't want to use a screwdriver, if you don't have a screwdriver, use another pair of pliers because they're flat where you can grab hold and get you some locking power on there. So not a bad set, pretty good set. Again, I picked it up for about $100. I think it'll do the work. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. Again, this is our first video, and I've watched videos on YouTube and they say your first videos when you're gonna look back and they're gonna be terrible. And so hopefully that's the case. But I appreciate you sticking with us, and please like the video and subscribe to the channel. We're gonna be putting out more videos like this in the future. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.